Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's videos is about where to use at, on, in English grammar regarding time. It's a quite interesting topic, right? It's a huge confusion part in English grammar. Let's solve it by an easy trick. First, see this triangle, upward triangle. At topmost position, at is there. Okay, which means we have to use at in very particular or specific time. At for a particular or specific time. For example, at 5 o'clock, at 6:30, at midnight, at afternoon. Okay, let's move on to on. On. We can be used on in wider situation, okay, which means the whole one day or one date. On for a whole one day or one date. For example, on Monday, on April 25, on Republic Day, on my birthday. We can use on for the one full day or one date. Okay, let's move on to the last part of the triangle, which is in. We can use in for the more wider than on and at, which means in for a month, season, years, decade, centuries and long period. For example, in July, in summer, in 2005, in the 1960s, in the 1800s, in the past. So, we can be used in for more wider than on and at. Let's have a quick recap where to use at, on, in English sentence regarding time. At in a very particular or specific time. For example, at 5:30, at 6:30, at midnight, at afternoon. On for the one day or one date. Wider than at, which is on Monday, on April 25, on Republic Day, on my birthday. In is more wider than that two. For example, month, season, years, decade, century, long period. In July, in summer, like that. I think it's clear to everyone. The only thing you have to remember is this triangle. We have to divide this triangle into three parts. At top position, at should be there. At next position, on. On is little bit wider than at. At third position, which means last position, in is there. In is more wider than at and on. So relate this concept with time, which will be very easy to understand. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this, English grammar easy tricks. Thank you.